Are you at home? Are you at home? Yes, I am at home. Yes, I am at home. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? Nothing important. Nothing important. Did you take your medicine? Did you take your medicine? Yes, I took it. Yes, I took it. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? It's nice today. It's nice today. Do you have time? Do you have time? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. Where were you? Where were you? I was outside. I was outside. Did you finish your work? Did you finish your work? Yes, I finished it. Yes, I finished it. When will you return? When will you return? I will return soon. I will return soon. Who is calling you? Who is calling you? My friend is calling. My friend is calling. What did he say? What did he say? He said he's coming. He said he's coming. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes, I can hear you. Yes, I can hear you. Why are you late? Why are you late? Because I am sick. Because I am sick. Do you want to join? Do you want to join? Yes, I would love to. Yes, I would love to. Are you joking? Are you joking? No, I am serious. No, I am serious. Who are you waiting for? Who are you waiting for? I am waiting for my brother. I am waiting for my brother. Did you check it? Did you check it? Yes, I checked it. Yes, I checked it. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? I want some rice. I want some rice. When did you wake up? When did you wake up? I woke up early. I woke up early. Why are you quiet? Why are you quiet? I'm just thinking. I'm just thinking. Are you going alone? Are you going alone? No, I am going with him. No, I am going with him. Do you have money? Do you have money? Yes, I have some. Yes, I have some. Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Yes, go ahead. Yes, go ahead. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? I'm waiting for the bus. I'm waiting for the bus. Do you trust me? Do you trust me? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Where did you see him? Where did you see him? I saw him at the market. I saw him at the market. Did you enjoy it? Did you enjoy it? Yes, very much. Yes, very much. Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling? I remembered something funny. I remembered something funny. Who will go with you? Who will go with you? He will go with me. He will go with me. Is he your friend? Is he your friend? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? It's next month. It's next month. Do you need help? Do you need help? No, I can manage. No, I can manage. Why are you upset? Why are you upset? I had a long day. I had a long day. Did you clean your room? Did you clean your room? Yes, I cleaned it. Yes, I cleaned it. What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy? I want to buy some fruits. I want to buy some fruits. Did you write it down? Did you write it down? Yes, I wrote it. Yes, I wrote it. Are you still there? Are you still there? Yes, I'm still here. Yes, I'm still here. What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? About yesterday. About yesterday. Can I take this? Can I take this? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. What are you listening to? What are you listening to? I am listening to music. I am listening to music.